Welcome to Ukulele Hymns. My name is Lin. This Christmas Day, I would like to share with you the hymn, We Three Kings. These are the chords you need. C chord, F chord, G chord, A minor, D minor, and E major. Let's play through the first verse once through slowly. This hymn is in triple time. We're going to use a slightly different strumming pattern where just down for 2 beats and up for 1 beat, and down for 2 beats and up for 1 beat. So it sounds like that. We three kings of Orient are, bearing gifts we traverse afar. Field and fountain, moor and mountain, following yonder star. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us to thy perfect light. Now grab your song sheets and we're going to play through all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 verses once through, hopefully at a slightly more brisk pace. We three kings of Orient are, bearing gifts we traverse afar. Field and fountain, moor and mountain, following yonder star. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us to thy perfect light. Born a king on Bethlehem's plain, gold I bring to crown him again. King forever, ceasing never, over us all to reign. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us to thy perfect light. Frankincense to offer have I, incense on the deity nigh, prayer and praising, voices raising, worshipping God on high. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us to thy perfect light. Myrrh is mine, its bitter perfume breathes alive of gathering gloom, sorrowing, sighing, bleeding, dying, sailed in the stone cold tomb. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us to thy perfect light. Glorious now, behold him arise, King and God and sacrifice. Alleluia, alleluia, was We Three Kings, beautiful hymn, and may He lead us to that perfect light this Christmas. See you next time.